In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download social reports from Hootsuite. This process is helpful when you need a copy of your reporting data for sharing, reviewing, or saving for later. I will walk you through the exact clicks, and I will also explain what to look for at each point, so you can do it smoothly. First, sign in to Hootsuite. Open your web browser, go to the Hootsuite site, and enter your login details. After that, select the Sign In option to access your dashboard. This step matters because only signed-in users can view report options and download exported files. If you already have a session open, you might go straight to your dashboard, which is fine too. Next, once you are signed in, select My Reports. On the dashboard, look for the area that shows your reports. Sometimes it is listed in a navigation menu or a section on the main screen. When you select My Reports, you are telling Hootsuite that you want to view the reports that belong to you. Take a moment here to confirm that you are in your personal reports area, since this is where you will find the export option. After you open My Reports, select Export. This is the action that turns your selected report into a downloadable file. Depending on your account or setup, Export may appear as a button or as an option within the report view. If you do not see it right away, make sure you are looking at the specific report screen where exporting is available. Selecting Export is the key step that prepares the file in the format Hootsuite supports for download. Now select the file you want to download. In this step, you should see one or more files listed, or you may see options related to the exported output. Choose the file that matches the report you need. If there are multiple versions, such as different date ranges or different report types, select the one that corresponds to what you want to save. This is important because downloading the wrong file may mean you have to repeat the steps later. Once you have selected the correct file, select Download. This tells Hootsuite to send the file to your computer or device. Pay attention to any prompts that might appear in your browser, such as confirmation boxes or download indicators. If a download window opens, you may be asked where to save it. Choose a location you can easily find later, such as your Downloads folder or a dedicated Reports folder. Finally, save the report to your device. After the download starts, wait for the file to finish downloading before you leave the page. When it is complete, check that the file is present in the location you chose. If you are downloading to mobile or using a tablet, check your Downloads folder or the File Manager area where your device stores downloads. Saving it properly helps you access it later for review, sharing, or record keeping. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.